I myself, Dr. Rakesh Kumar, Department of Sociology, SKJ Law College, Muzaffarpur, Bihar. Good morning, all of you. Again, I am in front of the pre-law part students, and the topic of today is divorce. In previous classes, I taught you about the types of divorce, what is divorce, and types of divorce among Muslim community on the social point of view. In that types of divorce, we have already discussed about the talaq-e hasan, talaq-e ahasan, talaq ul widdat, ila. Now today we will discuss about the rest part of the types of divorce among Muslim community. Before starting discussing about the rest part of the divorce, I want to recall you that in previous classes I have already given clear explanation about the types of divorce related with the talaq-e hasan, talaq ul widdat, ila. In this process of the divorce known as the mubarrat, what we have to do in this mubarrat, first we will discuss about the khula system of divorce among Muslim community. This is a divorce which is based on the mutual consent of husband and wife. In this process, in this talaq, when both husband and wife agree to separate by way of consent, usually upon terms such as the wife agreeing to repay her meher, I mean to say that meher means dowry, which is given at the time of the marriage by the father of the bride. So that is called the meher or the dowry. To the husband upon him agreeing to grant तलाक. इस खुला तलाक की व्यवस्था में पति पत्नी की दोनों की सहमति की आवश्यकता होती है. किसी एक के सहमति न बनने से तलाक मान्य नहीं होता है. सो दोनों की सहमति इसमें प्रायः पत्नी की सहमति ज़्यादा मायने रखती है. अगर पत्नी पति से मेहर की राशि लौटा देने के लिए कहती है, जो दहेज के रूप में शादी के समय दिया जाता है लड़की के पिता के द्वारा, और वह अगर लौटा देता है तो तलाक हो जाता है. अगर पत्नी के कहने पर कि हम मेहर की राशि लूँगी और पति मेहर की राशि नहीं लौटाता है तो तलाक नहीं होता है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड द types of divorce on the basis of khula. Again we will talk about the mubarrat talaq. It is also similar to the khula. In this talaq, again there is a need of mutual consent of husband and wife. But in this process, both of them think about the both side, known as in this talaq, the husband, spouses can revoke the divorce and can live peacefully again. But mubarrat is an irrevocable form of divorce and cannot be reverted again, reverted back. In this talaq, मैंने आपको कहा था इस तलाक की व्यवस्था में दोनों की आपसी सहमति जरूरी है और इसमें बिना किसी पक्ष के नुकसान के क्या होता है, इसमें दोनों पक्षों के किसी बात का नुकसान न हो और इसकी कोशिश की जाती है दोनों पक्षों की सहमति से, और तब तलाक मान लिया जाता है। यह तलाक की एक अच्छी व्यवस्था है जिसके तहत विवाद की संभावना कम होती है। नाउ नेक्स्ट, द टाइप्स ऑफ डाइवोर्स among Muslim community is jihad. What is jihad? Jihad is one type of divorce among Muslim community in which there is so many things related with the husband and wife. In jihad is illegal and considered an insult in the Islamic law. It implies that the man declaring his wife akin to his mother or sister is guilty of the sin of forbidding the lawful things. It has been prescribed by law, and the act does not ensure in divorce. इस तलाक की व्यवस्था में, यह ऐसी तलाक की व्यवस्था है कि पत्नी पति से प्रायश्चित करने को कहती है। जब पति पत्नी के साथ कुछ ऐसे शब्दों का उपयोग करता है जो मुस्लिम कानून के अंतर्गत मान्य नहीं है, और इसके लिए वह प्रायश्चित करने के लिए कहती है। जैसे अगर पति पत्नी से कहता है कि तुम मेरी माँ हो, तुम मेरी बहन हो, तो ऐसी हालात में वह पत्नी जो है पति से प्रायश्चित करने को कहती है। अगर पत्नी के कहने पर वह प्रायश्चित नहीं करता है तो अदालत के माध्यम से तलाक की व्यवस्था तय कर ली जाती है। तब यह बात अदालत के अंतर्गत जाती है और अदालत इस बात को ध्यान में रखते हुए तलाक की व्यवस्था सुनिश्चित कर देती है। नाउ नेक्स्ट, लियान. It is also a one type of the divorce among Muslim community. In this process, lian involves the husband accusing his wife of committing adultery. It makes the wife entitled to claim a judicial divorce on the grounds of being falsely charged with committing adultery. यह ऐसी तलाक की व्यवस्था है मुस्लिम समुदाय में जिसमें अगर पति पत्नी पर व्यभिचारी होने का आरोप लगाते हैं, कोई ऐसे शब्दों का उपयोग करते हैं जैसे कि तुम पराए किसी पुरुषों से संबंध रखते हो, या मारता है, जरता की स्थिति में रखता है, प्रताड़ित करता है, इन सब चीज़ों को अगर करता है तो पत्नी अदालत के माध्यम से तलाक की व्यवस्था सुनिश्चित करती है, क्योंकि ऐसे आरोप मुस्लिम समुदाय के अंतर्गत अच्छा नहीं माना जाता है और यह ऐसे शब्दों का उपयोग पति पत्नी के बीच में हो यह मान्य नहीं होता है. So today I discuss about all the types of divorce among Muslim community on the basis of social point of view. In these types of divorce, when we will go through the conclusion of this topic, we can say that in every society there is a different tradition of the divorce. Somewhere it is recognized as a talaq-e-hasan, talaq-e-ahsan, talaq-ul-biddat, ila, and somewhere it is recognized as a khula, mubarrat, jihar, liyan. यानी कि विभिन्न मुस्लिम समुदाय में तलाक की अलग अलग परंपरा है और उसी अलग अलग परंपरा के वजह से हम डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ डाइवोर्स मुस्लिम समुदाय के अंतर्गत अध्ययन करते हैं. यह मुस्लिम सामाजिक विधि के द्वारा तलाक की व्यवस्था है. कुछ तलाक की व्यवस्था में पहले जैसे तलाक ए हसन तलाक, उल बिद्दत तलाक और हसन, इनमें पुरुषों की प्रधानता दी गई है। पुरुष को स्वतंत्र रूप से तलाक लेने की व्यवस्था थी। अभी जब हम वर्तमान परिप्रेक्ष्य में बात करेंगे, व्हेन वी विल टॉक अबाउट द प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन ऑफ द सोसाइटी ऑफ द मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी, देयर इज सो मेनी केसेस which we learn through newspaper, through magazine, through media, through news, through WhatsApp and Facebook, that somebody is living outside our country, abroad from our country, in Arab country or what, in another country, and from there, with the help of the electronic media, electronic goods known as the mobile, known as the internet, known as the message system of the electronic media, they say divorce from their one on mobile, and this was accepted by the Muslim community. So it is not a good thing. यह एक अमानी व्यवहार के तहत माना जाता है। यहाँ भी शादी कर लिए, शादी करके यहाँ भी बाल बच्चे हैं, पत्नी समझती है कि पति हमारा काम करने के लिए बाहर गया है, वहाँ से काम करके अर्थ का अर्जन करके मेरा और मेरे जो बच्चे हैं उनके अति आवश्यक आवश्यकताओं की पूर्ति करेंगे। दे विल अर्न मनी एंड दे विल सेंड दैट मनी टू माई हाउस इन माई हैंड, एंड आई विल फुलफिल ऑल द एसेंशियलिटीज ऑफ द माई ऑल चिल्ड्रेन. But he is not doing this type of thing. He became engaged with another woman there. They are enjoying, both of them is enjoying there. They are just introducing, living with new local family system, on the basis of new local family system, husband and wife. And in that process they produce children and they started bearing the children. They didn't think about their first wife. So it is not a thing. In Muslim community, on social point of view, a husband have right to keep 5 wives at a time. तो यहाँ इस तरह की स्वतंत्रता मुस्लिम समुदाय में दी गई है कि 5 पत्नी रख सकते हैं। तो उस हालात में जब when husband is not looking after their first wife and the children of their first wife, then the wife demand money from them, and if he is not giving money, then through social point of view they started pressurizing her husband, but husband have already given divorce on mobile, with the help of message, with the help of WhatsApp, with the help of Facebook, that I will not live with you, I am giving divorce to you. So there is one problem is raising in front of our judicial system, that in that case, when her husband have given divorce and she have few children with them, what and how, from where she will fulfill the essentialities of that children. Then in this modern age, they move towards the court, and in court she put their problem in written process through their advocate in front of the judge, and when judge gone through the all process, then they think that it is not a human action. There is a lackness of humanity or human behavior. So how she will look out their all children? And then they started judicial process. Sometimes the court have given decision about the maintenance, which is not accepted by the Muslim society. In our um, holy book, there is no any um, question of the maintenance. उसमें मेंटेनेंस देने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है ऐसे हमारे समुदाय में, तो फिर वैसी स्थिति में क्या होगा? तो नाउ आवर कंट्री हैव, आवर जुडिशियल प्रोसेस हैव गिवन make law for that type of the women. This way you are not able to provide divorce. Now all the divorce process will look out by the court, and the present government have made some law related with that divorce. So in next classes we will discuss about the divorce on the basis of constitution, and then we will complete this chapter. So today I have already discussed about the rest types of the divorce among Muslim community. If you have any type of problem regarding this chapter, you ask me anytime with the process, with the help of any electronic media, I will answer you. So thank you for today.